Good morning, everyone. So I like to introduce to you a common breakfast that I prepare for my husband. He is a type 2 diabetic, and this is one of our favorite product, Ezekiel bread. There you go. Yes, and I'm very strict when it comes to his diet because we take care of our health, and health is wealth. That's what they say, and we use organic soy milk, unsweetened. That's for people with lactose intolerance, and it also have high percentage of calcium like the regular milk. And I also prepare him some Scottish oatmeal. And you have to remember, whenever you buy these products, is you have to take a look at the sugar content and carbohydrate content label there. So as you can see, it's 0 grams sugar, and carbohydrates is 23 grams. But of course, we don't use the whole pack, so it's just only 1 cup because I limit his carbohydrate intake per day. Okay, to be continued. Good lunchtime. I'm making my husband's lunch, which is tuna sandwich. I'll be using this and his favorite, this, and cheese, and this pickle. Important thing is no sugar added, but you have to also check on the back label, especially for the sodium and carbohydrate content, and some mayo. There you go. And this. Okay, I'll show you the end product later. Bye!